now take you live to Hicks Art Center for the news conference.
Hi, my name is Shelley Reed, and I teach music at Bucks County Community College. I'm the choir director and the head of the music area.
My name is Kimberly Witham, and I teach in the Department of the Arts at Bucks County Community College. I teach photography, and I teach courses in digital photography, darkroom photography, and studio and lighting.
I have a question.
I got a question.
All right, wait, I got a question. I just started here at Bucks, but I want to know, where will my credits transfer?
Well, as the saying goes, start here, transfer anywhere. And we have articulation agreements or transfer agreements with schools like University of the Arts and Temple. And we also have students who transfer often to many of the Penn State campuses. So really our credits are widely transferable to other institutions.
Can I ask you a
question?
Why would I choose Bucks over another community college?
The arts programs at Bucks are fully accredited by the National Association of Schools of Art and Design and the National Association of Schools of Music. These are accrediting bodies that set the curricular standards for undergraduate and graduate programs in all arts programs. In addition to that, the music program is an all Steinway school, which means that 90% of our pianos are made by the manufacturer Steinway and Sons.
Over here. Another one. How many different types of degrees and certificates are there in the arts department?
Well, we have a wide variety of certificates and degree programs. We have degrees in music, photography, communication studies, fine woodworking, fine arts, graphic design, cinema video production, and multimedia. And we have certificates as well in many of those programs.
My son wants to be a music major, but we're concerned that he won't be able to find a job and earn a living. What sort of job opportunities are there for musicians, and why would he even need a degree for that?
Well, that is a great question. There are many different ways to use your music degree or your art degree, and not all of them have to be in performance, but they do start out the same way. The degrees start out the same way, which is why they can branch off into many different areas, such as music business, music education, music therapy, music or arts administration. There's also music law and copyright, and another big one is music sound and technology.
Another question? Can you take another question? What sort of social opportunities are there for Bucks for art and music students?
The student life has a very well established set of clubs and organizations for students. There is, in the arts program, there is the glass arts, there is a drama club, there's a sculpture club, there's a ceramics club, photography club, printmaking club, film and multimedia, as well as a music club. In addition, there are many music ensembles that students can participate in virtually or face-to-face. And that's about all.
And don't forget Radio Bucks.
And Radio Bucks.
I have one more question. What
Sure.
are your recent graduates doing today?
Well, I can speak for the former students of mine. We have many students who have transferred to schools like the School of the Visual Arts in New York or the University of the Arts, and many of those students are working professionally in the field right now. Actually, one of our photo students just had her work published in Elle magazine, so we're very proud, and we feel like our graduates are doing very well and got a great start here.
Can I ask one more question?
Sure.
How do you teach visual arts remotely?
Well, me personally, I am right now live streaming from my own home studio. I have a multi-camera setup, and I've been streaming studio and lighting classes from there, and the students still have the ability to come here to campus at a scheduled time and use our facilities. So they're still getting that sort of enriched educational experience, seeing the demonstrations, but they have a chance to then use the facilities that we have.
What about the music area?
And in music, we have several ensembles that are actually meeting face to face, the smaller populated ones. But also, we are doing, instead of live concerts, we are doing some productions of music performances that the students are being able to do in their own home, and we are syncing them and putting them together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.